Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Find the lowest common multiple of 28, 42, and 63. Show you're working clearly. Okay, when dealing with LCM, first we make a prime factor tree. So we write down all the numbers and we see that 28 is divisible by 7 and 4. 4 can be 7 and 2. So since these are prime numbers, this is where we end. 42 is also 7 times 6, and 6 can be 3 and 2. We end there. And then 63 is 7 times 9. 9 can be 3 times 3, and that is the end. And when dealing with LCM, we can write them vertically like this: 28, 42, and 63. For 28, we have 7, 2, and 2. For 42, we have 7, 3, and 2. For 63, we have 7, 3, and 3. Now, when combining this, we notice how there are 7s repeated across the board, but when we're finding the lowest common multiple, we simply take it once. So instead of writing 7 3 times, we write 7 once. Here we can see that 3 is repeated 2 times. We can write that once. Here, we simply have 2 and 3. And since 2 is here, we simply write it once. So our final answer should be 7 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. I can actually simplify this to 7 times 6 times 6, or 7 times 36. And we can pull out a calculator and get our final answer. 7 times 36. Our LCM is 252. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.